Welcome to the Enu Binu Shave channel. Thanks for tuning in. Credit goes out to Macafy1 and many others who gave this following recipe. Other oils could be added, replaced, or subtracted, yet these are the oils that I chose to use. These are the following oils to make pre-shave oil versus castor oil. Second is grapeseed oil. And the third is olive oil. And we have jojoba oil. And we have a measuring cup. I'm going to put the pre-shave oil in this canteen, which I previously used for mouthwash. This fills up 8 ounces. So let's go ahead and make the oil. Okay, we got 2 ounces there. All right. Next will be the grapeseed oil. And next up is the castor oil. Alright. This is fun. This one's a little thicker. Castor oil. Slowly but surely. And then 2 ounces of the jojoba oil. Well, there you have it. You have 8 ounces of pre-shave oil. Make sure that you shake it. We know that pre-shaves in the store can be expensive, and this could be a way to get more bang for your buck. If you want to know a little bit more about each oil and what they do, I'll link Macafy1's video in the description section below. Thanks for watching, and have a good shave. And the fourth is jojoba oil. I said that wrong. Gonna have to look it up and figure out how to say jojoba. Jojoba. Let's take a look. Jojoba. How do you say? How do you say jojoba?
Jojoba.
And we have jojoba oil.